I'll go ahead and do a quick video on how to cut your own hair. For me, I'm usually like a medium high. I could do low regs, highs, mediums, horseshoes, pretty much whatever you want, blowouts, or simply lineups. So I'm gonna go over a few things. Again, I am not a licensed barber. I've been cutting my hair for some time now. I'll just be going over a couple methods that kind of worked for me throughout the time. Feel free to critique, whatever. If it helps you out, cool. If it doesn't, then cool too. So pretty much this is what I use. This one, obviously to go skin. This helps me blend. I'll explain a little bit later. And these are the different guards, obviously, depending on the length of hair that you have. Go this one, followed by that one. It kind of just, depending on the amount of hair. With this one, it just kind of create an outline all the way around. And then we'll get to the blending part. Cool? All right, here we go. Once you got your outline done, you want to grab your whatever blade that you use, whether it's wall or Andes or whatever. You want to put the guard all the way up to begin the blending. So what should have happened is that you created another line with the guard we just went over. And now you're gonna go from here all the way back down. And you're gonna close that. You're pretty much gonna shave that line off. So this line right here, you don't wanna go super high. Just kind of wanna erase and blend everything. A good trick is to flick the wrist. You flick the wrist all the way and it creates a smoother blend or a smoother fade. So now you can see that line is pretty much gone. And now we got to focus on that other line, which comes with the guards that we're about to do. I'm going to start off by using this one. You want to take this line here. You just pretty much want to go over it. Not too high. It's kind of above it until it starts to fade away. Once you're done with that one, go ahead and go over to the 45 millimeter or the 1.5. Again, you always want to start open, and as you go around, then you want to close it up and go again. You want to make sure the fade is smooth, because you can definitely see some lines if you don't. As you can see, the line is slowly starting to fade away. You just have to go over and over. Just trust the process. Take your time. Blend it in right. Once you're finished with that one, go with your number 2. And that'll be to pretty much clean up anything up here. As you can see some lines. Here, it just kind of cleans it up around this area. And you can kind of see still a line here. And we're going to clean up towards the end. So you can still see a little bit here. It's pretty much faded for the most part. Just this little piece. And you kind of see it all the way around your head. Everything else for the most part is blended. But that's where that guy comes in. That's going to help you clean up all the excess hair from here. It'll pretty much blend it. Don't go too high, because then you're going to screw yourself up and you're going to force you to go higher and higher. With this machine, you want to continue getting the rest of the hair. Me, I like doing this for a while. So I'm used to what angles and whatnot to use. If you're not that coordinated, I wouldn't recommend you doing this unless you want to cut your ear, the side of your neck, or also if you have delicate skin and you get a lot of razor bumps, I definitely wouldn't recommend you doing this. You see, I kind of go against the grain to get a longer week without a haircut. But I mean, if you want to, by all means, go ahead, try it. See how it works out. This is the final product. Skin fade. Kind of high. It's kind of where I like it. Next Sunday I'll be doing the same thing. I'm gonna drop it lower to do more like a medium fade. And kind of be down here somewhere. You'll be able to see the outline, the shape up, things like that. And then the week after that, I'll do a low reg, kind of like a blowout. And I'll do a variety of different videos throughout time. That way everyone can get an idea of how to cut your own hair. It really does save a lot of time. Again, I'm huge in time or with time. Like, I hate wasting my time. And if I have to wait in line at a barbershop for about 30 or 40 minutes, even if you have an appointment, like, I just hate it. I like doing it in the comfort of my own home. I like how I cut it because I'm very OCD when it comes to things like this. I hate people cutting me or cutting my head or my kids' head for that matter. So yeah, follow me, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll definitely upload more videos. Thanks.